Seriously, why is healthy eating so darn complicated? Like, why does it have to be so hard to know how to eat a healthy diet? My name is Lisa Kilgore. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and founder of Your Beautiful Life. And it's my job to make real life healthy eating as easy as possible. And so today we're just talking about many of the reasons why my clients come to me with issues with their diet. Like, these are common problems that they come to me with and are like, I need some help. And my job as a nutritionist is, of course, to help them. But usually the reason why they're having a problem is different than the solution. That didn't make any sense. I'll clarify things in a second. But first, let's dive in. So the main reason, or one of the biggest reasons why a new client comes to me, is that they're confused of what diet is right for them. Like, right now, the ketogenic diet is huge. A year ago is paleo, or instead, should I be 100% plant-based or raw? Which one is it? And unfortunately, this has gotten worse over the last 10 years. My 10 years as being a holistic nutritionist I have seen this confusion get worse, not better. And the truth is that there isn't a right diet. There isn't this one perfect way of eating that works for everybody. No, everybody won't be healthier grain-free. No, everybody won't be healthier vegan. We all have different needs, and finding what our needs are, knowing what our body needs, and learning your real life healthy eating, the way that your body wants to be fed, that's how you'll know, and you'll never question another diet again. It's the best news I can give you. It's a simple process I take my clients through in learning how their body reacts to certain foods, and then all of a sudden they just get it. They just know, and the confusion is over with. It is amazing. The second reason why clients will come to me is that they feel that they lack willpower and they lack motivation. That if only they could be a bit more motivated, they could do this. And the truth is, the reason why they feel that way is that a healthy diet looks so difficult. It looks like it's something that you have to follow all the time. It looks like it's something that you have to follow a meal plan or cook 2 hours every day. And the truth is that's not a healthy diet. Actually, that can be a really unhealthy diet for some people. Real life healthy eating simply is adding healthy foods to your diet and enjoying them. I eat mostly whole food in my day, and I rarely spend more than 20 minutes preparing a meal, and my body feels healthy. We don't necessarily need more motivation or willpower to do this. We just need to make that change smaller. If you are looking at something that you need to do, say you want to make a big health change and you're really struggling, cut it down to a smaller change. Make it to be so small that you're like 95% sure you're going to be able to do. That's a real change. And that will suddenly, you're going to do it. You're going to feel amazing. And they're like, oh, what's the next one? This is how I changed my diet. I changed it from an entirely processed food diet to how I eat today. And I did it all in these tiny little steps. So they really work, and you do not need any more willpower or motivation than you already have right now. You just need a smaller step and a smaller change. The third reason why my clients come to see me, and this is actually probably the most common reason, is that they're actually eating really well already, but they're not feeling really good. And they're terrified and frustrated and worried that what they need to do is something incredibly difficult so they can feel better. Most clients that come to me are already eating fairly well. You don't look for a registered holistic nutritionist usually when you're eating fast food and processed food all the time, but I would love to work with you if you're there, because that's where I started. But most of my clients already are cooking a lot of vegetables, or already cooking most of their meals themselves, but they're not feeling very good. And usually what that means is that their diet isn't balanced for them. So they may be following a high protein diet when their body actually wants more carbohydrates. They might be eating a lot of vegetables, but their body wants more protein. They might be eating what looks like a really well-balanced, healthy diet, but there's some really important essential fats that are missing from their diet. And that's my job. My job is to help you find what your body is looking for. And throughout my time as a nutritionist, I've worked with thousands of people, and I've found that this kind of help, this bringing everybody to real life healthy eating, is where real joy comes from, and where we can really just be happy with what we're doing again. Through this, I created my brand new website, Your Beautiful Life. And Your Beautiful Life is a site that gives you all the tools that you need for real life healthy eating. So if you need more food ideas and recipes that are like easy to use, easy to make, fast to make, and full of really great food, it's on there. If you are looking for more in-depth information on certain health conditions, it's on there. If you are looking for a community, to be able to have other people in your life that are also eating the same way and have the same ethics and beliefs, we're all there. And if you're looking for more self-care, if you're looking for help on bringing a mindfulness and meditation and yoga into your life, it's also on there. So if you'd like some more information, go to lisakilgore.com/Your Beautiful Life. There's a link in the comments over here. And I will be back very soon. Let me know if there's any topic you'd like to hear about. I'm always happy to talk about anything you'd like. And I thank you for your time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.